The Student Transitions and Persistence Unit is here to make sure your time at Wits University is smooth, empowering, and successful. Our mission is to facilitate successful transitions for a diverse cohort of students from your first day until you graduate by providing comprehensive support, resources, and initiatives that promote academic achievement, personal growth, and social integration. By participating in the STPU design programs, students are provided with skills, resilience, and adaptability needed to thrive in an ever-changing world. Our key program is the first-year experience. This year-long program is all about making sure your changeover from high school to university is as easy as possible. Through FYE, you'll connect with peers, join workshops, and build a sense of community so you feel like you belong and are connected to the university community. Some of the workshops held in 2024 were Help-Seeking Behaviors, How to Get the Support You Need. Abuse is Not Love. Let's talk about standing against gender-based violence. Press the reset button. Bounce back from challenges with resilience. Balancing work and play. Get the best of both worlds. Study and have fun. Women in Leadership, Empowering Future Female Leaders. Wellness Day, a full day to recharge and focus on health. And lastly, Journey to Employment, get career ready.
My first year experience overall was overwhelming. Coming from Cape Town all the way to Joburg, I didn't really know anyone. What helped me was my mentor suggested that I join clubs and societies, which I did, and I'm very grateful for that.
I was scared because there's a lot of people I didn't know, but as the year progressed, I realized I made a lot of friends along the way, so it wasn't as scary as I thought. I had to adjust to learning by myself, and there's no one checking on me if I'm doing my work or if I'm passing my tests.
I attended the Women in Leadership event. It was really nice. We spoke to women that have done a lot for the country, for the university.
There was programs, there were events, there were activities that were held for the first years, which was exciting because it's kind of thrilling to actually be welcomed into a new environment.
It's called Wellness Day. I went out of my bubble and I socialized with people. We had fun, we played games. I just need a day to blow off some steam and have fun.
The first year experience at Wits was quite an interesting one. There was a lot of fun activities. We played a lot of sporting games and activities, and it was just a really good introduction to get into the university life.
The first one that I attended was the health-seeking behavior, whereby they encouraged us to seek help whenever we feel overwhelmed with our academic obligations and adapting to the Wits University in general. I was able to attend the second workshop on time management, and that became a game changer to me.
We have your back every step of the way, but it's up to you to take advantage of these amazing opportunities. So come join us and make the most of your first year at Wits.